What are you talking about?
Oh, don't video me.
What are you doing with that poor fish?
Eating him. That's a good one. You talking to Mary?
He's talking to you.
He swallowed that hook.
Uh-oh. You need
You
a pliers?
don't get let go. Because you've been a bad boy. Oh, wait, no, it's not too bad.
Bite his beard.
Bite his beard?
Hook. I said
Oh,
hook.
Mama got
Bite
it.
his beard.
Here, I'll hold your pole while you go put him in the...
Kind of dirty.
He's going in the water. What do y'all think?
Hey, Jason. Uh-huh.
Hey, put it in here.
Yeah, one more.
Well, that was an even number.
Kirsten, did that fish splash you? Ah!
Yuck.
That'll be enough.
Let me get one more.
Name,
Sure.
Oh, goodness.
You're having
He
fun?
says I can keep fishing.